My name is Valerie Lawson. I'm a beauty educator, an artist, and a beauty consultant. I've had 14 years of experience in the beauty industry, bred and born in Ghana, and now working globally. It's the lack of knowledge of understanding undertones and complexion that I find is the biggest problem in the beauty industry. So for brown skin, for instance, we have blue undertones, we have purple, we have red, such an extensive range. But if you don't know, you just wouldn't produce. If the artist doesn't know how to use these products or how to mix some of these tones in products to create a look or to enhance someone's beauty, then it defeats the whole purpose of creating the product. This particular course is for beginners, for intermediate students, and for professionals in the beauty industry. Students can expect understanding what makes up one brown skin, what makes up 10 other brown skins. Is there a little bit of blue? Is there a little bit of yellow? How do we pick and mix products to complement these undertones? If I'm not able to believe in myself as an artist, it usually will show on the client. And if the client doesn't believe in the work I've done, it will show in my artistry. Spend some time understanding yourself and understanding your style of artistry and stick to that.